President Donald Trump announced a 100% tariff on Chinese goods effective the 1st of November 2025. He also declared export controls on critical software. The move follows China's new export restrictions on rare earth materials. MJ Akbar called Pakistan a corrupt military dictatorship built on supremacism and fascism. He said people in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir now see the illusion of religion-based nationalism. Akbar warned that Pakistan's attack on Afghanistan could mark its internal collapse with rising separatism in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Haryana IAS Officers Association mourned the death of Ips Y Puran Kumar, who allegedly died by suicide in Chandigarh. It urged a fair probe into the Rohtak fire and supported his wife Amneet P. Kumar IAS. A special investigation team has been formed for an impartial inquiry. Ram Kumar Bindal, brother of Himachal BJP chief, was arrested in Solan in a rape case. Police said a woman accused him of sexually assaulting her during an Ayurvedic consultation. And FIR was filed and forensic evidence collected. Bindal was later hospitalized after his medical examination. PV Sindhu has been appointed to the BWF Athletes Commission for the 2026 to 2029 term. This marks her third stint on the panel. Sindhu continues her role as BWF Integrity Ambassador. The commission ensures player representation and welfare in badminton worldwide.